good morning and good afternoon to the pumpers, the crypto maniac soldiers worldwide. It's the crypto commander-in-chief, Champagne, here with the crypto capos every single weekday, late mornings, early afternoons, Eastern Standard Time. Shout out to Dolphin 134, Jigger Roams, and the rest of the boomers that are congregating here in the population of the chat box, waving their crypto flags. Today we're talking about bits, Bitcoin on the path to 24K question mark. Okay, we have some traders there on TradingView calling for a bull run like no other. I wanted to talk about the mathematics, get you guys an opinion. Shout out to Oscar Ruiz. I see you with the pump. Looking good out there, boomers. And it looks like Bitcoin is resurrecting after that little pullback, that little flash crash. I told you guys on Friday, it's still strong. We're still in a baby bull run here. And apparently we're about to rev up, according to some analysts on TradingView. I want to talk about those indicators. They're saying strong buy out there. I want to get you guys' opinions as the rest of the boomers tune in to this live broadcast. Guys, touch the buttons for me, the like, the subscribe, the post notification bell, the ding ding. Button it up right now. Caress those buttons. Stay tuned in to the good crypto word that we spread here daily. Jigger Rome says Neo showing signs of life. Yeah. Neo performed well last week. It was a gainer. I didn't even notice how much it gained, but it was I think it gained more than Bitcoin last week, if I'm not mistaken. You know, I got a baby bag of Neo, the Chinese Ethereum. Let's see what they can do out there. I really like the Neo wallet. It allows you to stake Neo, earn gas tokens, which is a secondary token on the Neo blockchain, and it's sexy to say the least. Guys, drop a comment. Let me know that you're rocking with me. Let me know if the microphone's sounding crispy. I want to make sure. I don't know if I got any feed here, but it seems like I do. I see green on the stream health. Give me a 10-4, Roger that. Shout out to Jigger Romes, Oscar Ruiz, Dolphin 134, and the rest of the pumpers tuning into this live broadcast. Indeed, we'll be talking about the bits today, guys. On the path to 24K, certainly some people believe it to be so. Now, this may be a little early. You know how I've been calling it. I think that we're on the path to all-time highs. I just don't know how soon it's going to be. My prediction has always been sometime plus or minus 4 months as we approach the happening next year. But some traders over there on TradingView are calling for a bull run sooner. Okay, mic check sounds good, says Oscar. Thank you. I appreciate that. 10-4, Roger that. Let's go ahead and check out today's mathematics over there on CoinMarketCap before we get into what they're saying here with the bits, and we'll talk about what's going on, guys. I'm glad that, you know, we had a little rebound there. We hit the stabilization here, stabilized price around 7K, and it rebounded quickly, and it looks like we're on the path to the resistance that we saw last week, around 8,300. If we can crack that 8,300, sound the alarms. Maybe I'll bring out, the alarms again because, sound the sirens. Definitely seems like we may be in the midst of another baby bull run. So drop a comment. Let me know. Champagne Crypto is the best. Robbie from the UK. Shout out, Robbie. Shout out to the whole UK. Let me drop a bomb for you guys over there. Boom. Indeed. Shout out to Robert. Welcome here to the population of the chat box. Let's check out today's mathematics over there on CoinMarketCap. Let's see how healthy the coins are looking, and then we're talking about these price predictions. These are some strong price predictions back to 24K. They're saying that this is happening sooner than later. And I wanted to get your opinion and also share with you guys my own opinion as to what I think things are going to happen. Again, I don't think anybody really knows. You got everybody with the charts, everybody acting like they're a crypto pro. But at the end of the day, guys, no one really knows what's going on out here. But we are long gun here with the bits, and more kabooms. Let's check out today's math. Let me turn off these coins, share my screen with you, hit refresh here on CoinMarketCap CMC. And before we check out the math, shout out to everybody downloading the Brave browser, earning those BAT tokens. If you haven't done it already, there's a link right down below there in the descriptions. You download the Brave browser and it blocks the ads, and it also lets you to turn on a feature where you can receive ads and earn BAT tokens for viewing and clicking those ads. Okay, and you've seen it pop up here during the live streams. I've earned some bats, and why not, guys? If you're surfing the web, you might as well earn cryptocurrency tokens. And if you're not doing that, I'm not sure if you can call yourself a crypto maniac. You got to stay all crypto everything. You got Bitcoin there at 78.62. and it's down 1%, but it's a nice run. I mean, you know, we were at what, 73 on Friday, and then it pumped there over the weekend, and here we are, you know, closer to that 8K. Market cap for all of crypto is 244 with a Bitcoin dominance at 56.9. It seems like there's more confidence in the altcoins, but you know how I've always said what I feel, guys, half the bag should be in Bitcoin just in case there's a rogue storm out there. Drew says, Ripple looks bullish by Ripple, ready for them. Ripple straight trash bags, Drew. Get out of the chat box talking about Ripple. It's not even a real crypto coin. It's just a glorified database, and I want nothing to do with it. And you can't call yourself a crypto maniac holding a Ripple bag. It stinks. You should throw it in the toilet. Abani says, fetch, boom. Shout out to Abani. Crypto Task Force says, salute, champ. This is crypto power. And absolutely right. Many of their charts and maps, etc. Sorry, but you can't see crypto coming. More bits, and more kaboom. Shout out to Task Force. Crypto power. FN base is trash bags. Indeed. I don't want anything to do with Ripple, guys. Don't come into the population of the chat box talking about Ripple. There's no way that you've earned any sort of crypto stripes getting into Ripple. That is for the bankers, for the Trojan horse, and you can't even mine the coin, guys. Listen, you must be a newbie or a little crypto NPC. I want nothing to do with it. Throw it in the toilet. Jigger Roams, I have a feeling Memorial Day weekend will get Bitcoin talk amongst family like Thanksgiving 2017 right before the boom. Listen, you've seen it on 60 Minutes. Now they're talking about the bids, and there's a little bit more chatter out there on the media concerning crypto, and they're not calling it a scam, which is 2 thumbs up if you ask me. You may be right there, Jigger Roams. Maybe over Memorial Day weekend, the families will get together and there'll be a little chatter there when it comes to crypto, and perhaps maybe, you know, it'll run back up. Oscar Ruiz says, you lost your stripes, cadet. Yeah, listen, guys, I'm not saying that Ripple is going to go down or up. I want nothing to do with it. This is the Crypto Maniac channel. If you want to get into stocks or anything like that, any other sort of speculation, go over there. Go that way. Okay, but over here, we're dealing with crypto kabooms. Okay, crypto kabooms. Let me drop some bombs. Snipe it out the box. It's funny bunny. It is funny bunny, guys. Ripple, please. Shout out to FN Base. Drew says, just riding the wave, buddy. Okay, listen, go ahead and do it. But when you ride waves and you try to follow trends like that, it's toxic for crypto, and I want nothing to do with it. We're here for the long crypto boom, and if you don't understand what's going on, it's a new day, a new era. We want nothing like Ripple in the box. Ripple can go stand over there with the rest of the bank fraudsters. Crypto Task Force says, champ, I made a YouTube channel, and thanks for your inspiration. Made already 2 videos. It is work, but it's pure passion. Shout out to you. Is that your channel, Crypto Task Force? Because if it is, go ahead and follow Crypto Task Force, and let's support our brother here, Crypto Power, Crypto Task Force. He's trying to do some crypto videos, and listen, more power to you. We need to spread the good crypto word. Let everybody know that Ripple's trash. Oscar Ruiz says, GGG, OGs only. That's right, OGs only. OG zone only, that's right. Let's check out this coin market cap once again. You got Bitcoin there at 78.62, Ether at 248, Ripple straight trash, Bitcoin Cash at 405, EOS at 618. I like EOS over 6. You know, I'm an EOS maniac, and I will admit that it's not the blockchain that some people may have expected it to be, because it's not completely immutable. We're going to call it as it is. It's more of a token owners association, but look, it's acting healthy right now. It has a lot of dApps, and in fact, there's probably more dApps running on EOS than there is on Ether at the moment. Okay, I like to call it Ethereum on steroids. I still got a bag of Ether. I got a little bag of EOS. Let's see where it goes. Litecoin. You got it at $90. Litecoin's fell off the top 5, but Litecoin's still looking healthy. You know, it's been quiet for Litecoin during this little baby bull run, and usually Litecoin runs up after Bitcoin. Let's see what happens. You know, I got a bag of Litecoin, and look, you know, I'm hoping for the best here with the lights. I haven't heard any info when it comes to the Mimble-Wimble adoption, which could implement private transaction and fungibility to the coin. Guys, if your coin is not mineable and it's not fungible, you got to ask yourself what's going on. I know Bitcoin's not fungible right now, and that's why there could be a demand for another fungible coin, and I see Monero as the one right now. It's the truest crypto in the top 15. Okay? If Litecoin can implement that, I like it. It's sexy. Litecoin's going to battle with Bitcoin Cash, and that's what it is. Bitcoin Cash is performing well. And, you know, I got nothing bad to say about Bitcoin Cash. I just prefer Litecoin, me personally. Litecoin is a sleeping monster, says Ruiz. Indeed, it seems like it. Crypto Task Force says yes. Okay, so he's got a YouTube channel. Go ahead and follow him out. He's just starting out, and let's send our positive energy. Let's help out our crypto brother here and see what kind of content he drops on us. Shout out to you, Task Force. You got Binance over here at 28.75, all-time highs for Binance. And Binance has a revenue model, okay? Revenue model. It's earning. It's earning. It's not just a bunch of hype. It's not a Cardano, okay? As much as I like Cardano and what it promises right now, it's just a bunch of promises for Cardano, and the majority of the cryptos there on the coin market cap is just a bunch of ideas and promises. Which coins have a community that are actually using the coin? We see Bitcoin, we see Ether, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Litecoin. It looks like most of the top, 8. I'm not sure if anyone's actually using Stellar. Okay, it seems like after the top 7, I'm not counting Tether into this because Tether's not a crypto coin either. This is a counterfeit crypto. But, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Litecoin, Binance, those coins are actually used. Okay, now under those, the next one I would say is, something like maybe BAT. BAT token is actually used. Crypto Task Force says only the best cryptos for me. Big Daddy Bitcoin, EOS, Litecoin, Monero, BAT, Ethereum. Thinking about going into IOTA and Tron. There you go. I mean, you know how I feel about Tron. Tron has a lot of users. Okay, people actually use Tron. I'll give it that much. But the majority of those Tron dApps seem to be a little scammy looking, gambling dApps. But it's not to say that there's not a function for Tron. IOTA. It's not necessarily a blockchain. It's a Tangle. Okay, there's a different type of technology behind IOTA. I know they have partnerships with some car manufacturers. If I'm not mistaken. I'm just a little put off by IOTA personally because I was trying to use the IOTA wallet. I was over a year ago that this happened, and it was kind of a stinky wallet, guys. I'm going to be honest. It kind of stinked. Let's see if they have perhaps upgraded that wallet. Let me know. Okay. But you know which ones I'm holding. I'll show you guys our virtual community portfolio in just a moment and a little later on so that we can track our progress where we have been hodling a little portfolio together as a community. We started off with 10K. Last time we checked, we were over 20K. So, follow the champ, follow the boomers out here, and maybe you can educate yourself. And if not, maybe you can get a laugh or 3 and stay positive. Shout out to Crypto Task Force. He said, champ, 24K seems legit. Is it for the end of the year or the next days? We're going to be talking about that. I think it's coming up I think the poster that is alluding to this 24K said that it's coming soon. Oscar says those are pure scam apps on Tron. I don't know if it's pure scam apps on Tron, but a lot of it looks funny bunny to me. I don't have any Tron. I looked at Tron while I was looking at EOS, and I weighed. I had a little bag, and I was going to get into a new coin. This was back over a year ago, and I decided to go the EOS route. Let's continue to look here at the coin market cap. You got Binance at 28.75 at an all-time high. You got Stellar again at 13 cents. I don't know anybody that's using Stellar, but I've heard about the partnership with IBM. Okay, it's just a partnership. It's I guess you should buy the rumor, sell the news, right? I'm not holding Stellar. I gave it a pass. This is Ripple's little cousin, so it may be in bed with the Fed. I don't know. Okay. Cardano there at 8 cents. Cardano has about maybe a 10, 12 more days before we send out a team of snipers over there. I want to see this thing up and running. It's been promises, and I am excited about the Cardano blockchain, but if it doesn't get up and running soon, they're going to be left behind in the dusters by other coins like EOS, and even Tron may even take it over. I don't know. Okay, Tron back at 2 cents. You got Monero at $86. You know how I feel about Monero. I think Monero is going to be here to stay. Long gun. Not a boomer, but not a doomer here with Monero, the only fungible coin at the top 15. You got Dash there at number 13 at 167. You got IOTA at 40 cents. And then Satoshi Vision continues to slip. This is backed by the fake Toshi. And I want nothing to do with it either. If we look at other coins here, Neo I like. You got, Zcash seems like an attractive privacy coin. But, one that I do like a lot is the basic attention token, being that I use it. Okay, and I've been tipped in BAT tokens. And, I encourage everybody to download the Brave browser and start earning BAT tokens. It's one way that you can earn crypto without coming out of pocket. Okay, there's a link right down below. Download it. There's an ad blocker. It looks just like the Chrome, guys. Why would you be using Chrome when you can use Brave and earn BAT, even if it's a BAT a day? BATs are not, it's only 36 cents. But listen, Chrome ain't giving you anything. Okay, they're acting like Facebook and Instagram, just paying you little hearts. They don't even give you a little heart out there. They don't even send you a little meme. So, you know, go ahead and dump the Chrome and download and install the Brave browser. Okay, do it now, guys. Rise of King Fresh. How about PIOS? Have you guys looked into that nice privacy coin and it's been pumping lately? Absolutely have. And we've talked about that here not too long ago. An air grab there for PIOS. I'd let you guys know if you've been holding EOS, you can grab some PIOS there, which is a privacy EOS, a token there that's a private token of EOS. And they're saying it's kind of like Monero. I haven't looked much into it, but I claimed my airdrop. So I got a few PIOS there in the wallet. And my understanding, it is booming. I don't know where you could trade it as of late. I'm not sure if it's even on CoinMarketCap yet. Oh, it is. Okay, let's see where it's at here with but I was attracted to the coin. It's ranked almost 2,000 right now. It's only 9 cents, and it's up. It's up. It's been performing well, and I got a little baggie of it. So, you know, there it is. And I like the charts. Ever since it came out earlier this month, it seems like a steady rise. And hopefully you guys got that because I let you guys know about that. Shout out to Rise of King Fresh. Keep booming out there. Daz says this time next year, Bitcoin will be an altcoin. You know, I see a lot of people saying that there's going to be a coin that, you know, is superior to Bitcoin. I'm not convinced out there, Daz. Let me know. At one point, they said it was Ether. And I've seen people say that Binance was going to be the one. I'm not convinced about that one. It's more bits, and more kabooms. And that's how we do. Crypto Task Force says Brave browser is the best. I do have it on 2 computers. I earn money from browsing. No more Safari or Chrome get paid. Absolutely. Even if it's $1 a day. I mean, you're not getting paid for using the Chrome browser. So go ahead and you download the Brave browser and, you know, start, you know, we're talking about, we've talked about this before. Crypto adoption is needed. So adopt something that is crypto based and start using a browser that's crypto based and do it now, guys. Shout out to Rafterman. He just dropped me $2 here in the bucket. Rafterman, one of our day one crypto maniac soldiers there, a sniper shooting at these baby bear cubs. I see you, Rafterman. Let's snipe out a cub. Baby bear cubs dancing and prancing. You're seeing a few more coming into the population of the chat box. Now 60 minutes covering Bitcoin. And as we rise closer to 10K and beyond, we're going to see a lot of NPCs, a lot of baby bear cubs, a lot of funny bunnies, and some new crypto cadets that may be legit. You know, we need some new, you know, grow the platoon as well. So thank you so much, Rafterman, for the $2. Let me drop some fiat off the ceiling. Guys, the super chat is open. Follow Rafterman's lead. Don't show up to the crypto party here with champagne empty-handed. I need you to come through with a bottle, a smoke, do something, guys. Okay? Don't just be a silent lurker there in the crypto closet. Don't be a crypto cuck. Drop a couple ducats here in the bucket. If you're a broke boomer, you shouldn't be. Okay? I've never heard of a broke boomer, but maybe there is 1 or 3 out there. Go ahead and share this on your feed. Do something. Drop a positive comment, but don't be a silent lurker in the crypto closet. Don't be a crypto cuck. Cries of King Fresh says, now you can trade it on new decks. He's talking about PIOS. Okay. My understanding is that it's could be traded on Chance and the Bancor network. But, you know, thanks for letting us know about that new DEX, which is a decentralized exchange, if I'm not mistaken. Thank you again, Rafterman, for the $2 donation, guys. I appreciate it, guys. Follow Rafterman's lead if you want. Shoot me some fiat. If not, you could do it on the BAT tokens as well. And I have some crypto addresses down below. And again, if you're a broke boomer, it's all good, okay? You know, hopefully that can change. And drop a positive comment. I definitely feed off that as well. Let's check out what this one trader over there on TradingView had to say about the Crip Walk here. Mr. Goldbug, he is a popular poster there on TradingView, a trader. He says, Bitcoin, buy the dip and put it away. The path is clear to 24K. It even rhymes for you guys. Put it away. He's, you know, basically saying what the champ's been saying. Listen, get a Bitcoin, put it under the pillow, put it in your shoebox for the crypto fairy, guys. You may want to thank me later on 3 years from now when it kapumps. Again, I'm not a crypto pro. It may very well doom and gloom, but I don't think so. I'm telling you guys, I don't think so. Champagne's personal opinion is you should have a Bitcoin or 5 under your pillow right now. Crypto Task Force says best crypto channel, passion, power, and self-improvement. Shout out to Task Force. Oscar Roof says the numbers speak for themselves. And shout out to Colin McKenzie. He says hi to the box kabooming from Queensland. Local time 0250. Shout out to Colin. And I'm glad that you're back here, Colin, on the live broadcast. I know Colin missed the live broadcast often because he's on the other side of the world, but he's tuning in. So welcome back to the population of the chat box. Let me drop a bomb for a crypto soldier out there, Colin. Boom. Yeah, Rev says, forget Bitcoin and buy Cardano. Rev, I'm about to start sending the sniper teams out there on Cardano. They got like T-minus 10, 12 days. How long is May? Till the 31st? Because I'm about to send a team of snipers out there. I need to see something up and running on Cardano, and I need to see it right now. They got about T-minus 12 days. I'm sending out a sniper team. Revolution is top 8% holder of Cardano worldwide. He's trying to acquire a crypto castle so we can all crip walk and celebrate with the crypto princesses. Shout out to Colin. He says, hodl on, soldiers. Indeed, guys. Grab a Bitcoin, throw it under the pillow, and hodl this storm out there. And, hopefully Cardano booms too. I mean, I got a little bit of Cardano, a little baby bag there, but, I would never, have it as my main coin. And that's where me and Rev differ. I'm sending my positive energy to Rev. He says, I know, man, I agree. Cardano does need to launch Shelly soon. Yeah, they got about a T-minus 12 days. I mean, before it was March or April. Now we're at the ending of May. And don't let them pull a Vitalik on you there, Rev. Don't let them pull a Vitalik with the plasma, the sharding, the Casper. They can keep you going on the crypto blockchain wheel forever and ever. In the meantime, and in between time, the bits keep rising and other coins keep rising. So I don't let it happen to you guys. Make sure you have a Bitcoin under the pillow. Listen to the champ if you choose. Rise of King Fresh says, I would get some EOS before June 1st. Big announcement coming. Yes, apparently they're going to have a huge announcement on June 1st. So they say. So the rumor is, you want to buy the rumor. So they say. And I would agree with King Fresh. Maybe we should acquire more EOS. Got a baby bag, Ethereum on steroids. I like EOS. I use it. You can earn passive income with the EOS via the Shintai platform by leasing your EOS tokens, or you can do it via the EOS Rex exchange, resource exchange. It's a little safer with the EOS Rex, but my understanding is that the Shintai has a higher annual percentage rate for your return. But yeah, indeed, EOS. So let's go back to what this guy Goldbug was saying over here on TradingView. I got this article linked down below, and you could check out his charts or whatnot. He's a trader that's often trending there on TradingView. He says, after the pullback Thursday night, the bears are at it again. He says, I'll be straightforward here. Buy the dip, as we should. I mean, that's Crip Walk and Trading 101. Buy the dip, and that's what you should be doing, in my opinion. Again, you guys could do whatever you like, but they say buy the dip, right? Ignoring a fundamental change. You could read this all, but here's the bottom line. Here is a call. He says, buy the dip and put it away. The path is clear for 24K. Buy the dip and put it away. The path is clear for 24K. I've been watching Gotham episodes on Netflix. Favorite character so far is the Penguin. I digress. Okay. And then he goes on to say, can 45 happen? Sure it can. We could go lower. Okay. Things could go lower, but I think for the midterm to the long term, the path is clear, guys. We're going to go back up there, and I'm calling all-time highs sometime next year. I know Reb thinks it's going to go up sooner than later. Okay. So, overall, the consensus here is that there is strength and confidence behind Bitcoin, and there may be a clear path to an all-time high. Now, for the short term, I don't know how quick this is going to happen. I think we still got to crash through the resistance of that was set last week at 8,300, and then I would suppose that we would see a major sell-off at 10K, being that that's kind of a mental number there that most people probably will claim profits on. But if we can blow through that, we may be going quick to back to 20K. I'm still waiting for that to happen next year. I'll still stick to my price predictions. Bits keep rising, but also scams are coming back. Beware, gentlemen. Only stick to coins. No quick money scheme. Indeed, I seen the Connect 2.0. I've seen those headlines. Listen, I don't want anything to do with those websites. I'm sticking with blue chip coins. If you've been into crypto game long enough, listen, you're gonna have to step on a landmine or three if you're a new cadet. Listen, if you haven't stepped on a landmine, if you haven't lost a limb or a leg, you can't call yourself a crypto maniac. Okay, so, you know, it's part of learning, and we've learned out here. You know, we've gotten into some doomers in the past, and that's why I've always told you guys, you know, now I think that the king coin is Bitcoin. You should always hold that one, you know, and be weary about these other altcoins. We got 22,000 plus coins on CoinMarketCap, and the majority of them are going to doom and gloom, in my opinion. Rev says he could see Bitcoin over 20K by November. I can't, but listen, I mean, I can't say I can't. Okay, let me rephrase that. It's possible, but I don't think that it's highly probable. But maybe you're right. I'll take it. Dash is pumping. Shout out to the Dashaholics. I like Dash, guys. I think it has a cool model. It's a hybrid model, proof of work, proof of stake. And they used to be a lot more popular before, but it's nice to see it in the top 15. I too think next year will be a power crush like 2017, says Crypto Task Force. I agree, Task Force. I think, you know, we'll see a run up again next year. But Revolutionist, he sees it by November. Long live the bits, says Colin. Indeed. Crypto Task Force says, I made a video about the BitConnect crap because some veterans think yet again. I mean, listen, I want nothing to do with that. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I mean, I'm sure people are covering it, but, you know, you guys got my opinion. I'm not going to make a whole video of it. Shout out to Rev. Shout out to Crypto Task Force. Derek Smith, what's up to you? Oscar says, grow and learn or crash and burn. Listen, you know, like I said just moments ago, if you haven't stepped on a landmine, if you haven't lost an arm, a leg, a hand, at least a finger, okay, here in this crypto battlefield, this crypto war zone, then you haven't earned your stripes as of late. You know, you're going to have to step on a few landmines. Not every single coin that you're going to get is going to be a boomer. Okay, you're going to win some and lose some, and you're going to learn, and you're going to learn that the blue chippers are here to stay. There's a lot of coins that make promises, a lot of baby alts out there, guys, that some of them sound good, and they may actually increase in weight for the short term. But many of them are going to crash and burn, in my opinion. Shout out to Derek, Crypto Task Force, Rev, Original Copy. I see you, Copy. Long live the bits, indeed. Indeed. So, guys, check out this article over here by Goldbug1. Read it in its entirety. I'm not going to read it all to you, okay? But you should read it. And, you know, he talks about, you know, there's pessimists and, you know, what we can expect, how people are ignoring fundamental changes. And his call is that the path is clear to 24K. Although 4,500 can happen, you know, it's unlikely, okay? And that's what it is. He says those levels are likely gone, those $4,500 levels. Yeah, I think, you know, I don't think we're going to see 3K anytime soon. I'll tell you that, bunch of boomers. I think we could see 10K before we see a 4,000 or 3,000. Rafterman says, first altcoin I bought was Potcoin. Talk about a bust. Yeah, I mean, I've seen that, you know. Some of them are, you know, are going to bust. And you're going to see as the bull market continues to grow here, you're going to see a lot of funny bunny coins, maybe resurfacing new ones, making all kinds of promises. But, you know, at the end of the day, they want your bits. Okay, we figured that one out. Okay, even when they hacked Binance, they weren't after the Binance coins. Although Binance has outperformed Bitcoin in the past 2 years, they were after the bits, guys. Don't forget what they're after. Don't forget which is the king of all crypto. It's more bits, more bits, more bits, more bits, and more kabooms. Drop some coins out of the sky for you guys. Crypto Task Force says, I try to connect the dots. There are some things happening behind the crypto closets. Crypto is the future, and I will get the iPhone moment and get it mass adoptions. I'm very sure get BTC. I've heard some crazy predictions for BTC, guys. I'm not sure if I believe them all, but, you know, I've heard 100K. I've heard 250. I've heard $1 million too. Okay. I'm just trying to get to all-time highs. Okay. You know, I can believe 24K. I can believe 30K. But listen, we hit 100, 250,000, and we're going to be crip walking all the way to the crypto festival or whatever you want to call it. A hell of a crypto rally. Shout out to my boomers out there. I'll take a few more comments and questions before I tune this broadcast down. I want to keep these things around 30 minutes. Just came back from the gym today, guys. Hit the PR today. The champ hit a PR. I'm getting closer to my goals. It's been a long time. I'm trying to hit these goals. But sometimes you got to dig deep in the trenches. Today I squatted 315 times 3. So I'm 2 reps away from hitting my goal. I've been trying to hit 315 times 5. That's my personal goal here that I've set for some time. And I'm very close. Very, very close. 315 times 3. John McAfee knows something. McAfee, you know, he's entertaining to watch, but you know, he's looking like The Walking Dead Part 2, where you need to put him in the gym. I started in 2016 and bought so many funny bunny coins, many promises, nothing at the end. Says Crypto Task Force. Yeah, there's a lot of funny bunny coins. And listen, it's not that all of them are nefarious, you know. It's you know, some are. But you know, I think most of them start with a good intent. But the fact is, you know, even if you apply the Pareto principle, you know, 80-20, I think the fact is that, you know, most of these 2,000 plus coins, they're just not going to float. I mean, you can see this even in the business area. You know, new businesses, most of them fail anyway. It's not that most new businesses are scams. It's just that they're not able to materialize. And I would say, you know, with crypto, it's even more polarizing than the Pareto principle. Pareto goes 80-20. This may be even 95-5 or 90-10 when it comes to crypto. Rise of King Fresh says, anybody in the box catch the 60 Minutes Bitcoin last night? I didn't, but I've seen some of the headlines, people posting about it, and that all in all, they didn't call it a scam. So that's, you know, a step in the right direction. Before it was, you know, this is just magic internet money. It's never going to go anywhere. And, you know, they wanted to tell you not to get the bits. I mean, I remember before I even got into the bits, years back. And, you know, I would ask people working on investment banks and Wall Street or whatnot, and they all told me it was garbage. And something in the back of my mind told me this was going to be a boomer. And this was, you know, sub 100 prices with the bits. And I didn't get in at that point, which was a mistake. So listen, the bits are here to stay, guys. Okay, don't get it twisted. They're here to stay. If you haven't been convinced by now, I don't know. Hope Vitalik receive your protein bars when the bull run comes. 249 is weak. When Bitcoin rises, Ethereum will too, and hopefully not cripple. I like that. It's not ripple, it's cripple. I like that. It's all whether they can scale or not, says Rafterman. And original copy says long-term price 2026, 1 million plus. Listen, I mean, I'll take it, copy. I mean, we'll be crip walking all day long if we get $1 million Bitcoin. But, you know, I'm not entirely convinced of that price, but let's stick around, see what happens. I got to see, you know, I got to see 30K. I got to see 50K. I got to see 100K before I even consider that $1 million bit. But, you know, it's definitely exciting to hear. Good night to Colin out there in Australia. Let's drop a bomb for him. And I'm glad that you stuck around for the live stream, Colin. Always nice to have you. Keep booming out there, Colin. Vitalik is finally getting some protein. You know, it's going to take a lot more than just protein to get back where Ether was. I mean, Ether was above 1K at one point. You know, right now we're Ether, what, 250? Let me hit refresh over here. Ether 247. You know, I mean, it could quadruple and still be behind its all-time high. Crypto Task Force says, well, we'll read the article later, champ. Many are saying Bitcoin will be 100K and even 1 million. Yeah, I've heard it. You know, even McAfee saying that he'd eat his own dick if it doesn't hit 250 by a certain date. I don't know what date that is, but, you know, I'm not making those wild predictions. You know, I'm going to be conservative with the predictions here. Champagne Nakamoto will say, you know, at least I'm looking for that $1 trillion market cap somewhere around the halvening. That's what I've always been saying. I'm going to stick to it. And, you know, if that happens, we'll still be very much in the green. And it will be about, I would say, 3.5 to 4 times more value than what we have now. Jigger Rome says, champ, you should do a late night stream sometime. Interesting to see who will be here. You know, I've thought about that. It just, I don't really have that much time. I wish I had more time for you boomers because, you know, I'm doing other work. I have other jobs that I have to focus on. And we got the young cadets out here. We got 2 little babies. So, you know, my hands have been tied. And, you know, I recognize that. I would love to do more content. And hopefully soon, you know, hopefully we can stabilize here and, you know, find more time for the Crip Walk. But I would love to do that, Jigger Romes. CryptoZilla came in late, but throwing bombs. Kaboom. I see you there, Zilla. Zilla, our sniper out of Japan, always rocking with us. I appreciate you in the box there, Zilla. We're tuning down the broadcast, though, so I'll take a few more comments and questions. Rafterman wouldn't be mad at a $1 trillion market cap. That's what I've been saying from, that's what I want to see. And that $1 trillion market cap is not impossible. It's still probable if you ask me. And, it'll still make that asset class, the cryptocurrency asset class, smaller than the gold market, smaller than the real estate market. And, listen, crypto's still a small market when you compare it to other asset classes. That's the word I'm trying to say. Champagne stutters a little bit here. I'm not the most polished on the tubes, but I got the booms all day long. On that note, I think I'm going to go ahead and wind down. Task Force says, champs, thanks for the shout out to the new channel. We'll go boxing now to push some testo. Maybe I see Vitalik in the gym. See you soon. Good luck with that, Task Force. Good luck with that. And, I know it's hard being here on the tubes. I mean, you got to put in that work because the tubes ain't trying to help anybody, especially when they come, when they're making alternative content to help people become more independent and unplug from the matrix. So, they've shadow banned the champ and the deal. But, keep spreading that good crypto word and do it because of your passion for crypto. You can't do it for a profit. I'll tell you that much. Shout out to Main Event, our Steamosaurus. Kaboom to the champ, he says. Shout out to Main Event. Boom, we drop a bomb for you as well. On that note, I think I'm going to land the plane on the tarmac, put the car in park. Thank you to everybody who showed love today here in the population of the chat box that shared this. And you know that I'll be here daily. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, late morning, early afternoon, Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you turn on your post notifications, although you probably won't be notified. You got to take it upon yourself to bookmark the channel's page and come check me out. On that note, I'm out of here. Just saw a pic of a dude in a small office with his company name scribbled on the whiteboard. It was $19.99 and the name was Amazon.com. There you go. I mean, there's a lot of similarities to the crypto market and to the internet boom that happened back in the late 90s, early 2000s. You want to get in there, guys. I remember when, people were questioning the internet. There was a point they said, don't buy things off the internet. Now everybody, now people jump in strangers' rides via Uber. So, the deal, guys. Get in soon. The crypto train still has seats available for you monkeys out there. All aboard. All aboard the crypto train. Touch all the buttons on the way out, guys. Indeed. Thank you, Rise of Queen Fresh. And the dude is now the richest guy in the world. Crypto is way bigger than that, says CryptoZilla, alluding to Bezos and Amazon.com. You got it. You got it. On that note, guys, make sure you check out all the links that I have down below. Download the Brave browser. You should have no excuses out there. If you're a crypto boomer, download the Brave browser. You could do it on your desktop. You could do it on the mobile. You can earn BAT tokens simply by surfing the webs. You don't have to put your personal information. You don't have to buy anything. Okay. Also, check out the invites to Coinbase Earn. You could start earning some stellar by watching videos and answering a quick question. Real simple. Okay. You need to be invited to this Earn program, even if you're already a member of Coinbase. I have an exclusive link down below, and you guys can start earning stellar. Once you're in there, you could also start earning BAT0x and Zcash. Okay, check out the exchange links that I have down below, although most of you guys probably signed up to exchanges like Binance or KuCoin. And let me also plug the water filters. Drink some clean water. There's no reason you should be drinking that tap water with the fluoride that's calcifying your pineal gland. Get a zero water filter. It's like $30. It looks like a Brita. Okay, I got a link to the Amazon right down below, and it strips out all the fluoride and all the total dissolved solvents. It even comes with a little meter. Okay, so you could test the water. Now, if you have a little bit more of a higher budget and you want a better water purifier, go with the Berkey. Go with the Berkey. You can filter non-potable water in the event of a natural disaster. You can, basically filter lake water, rainwater, and stay healthy out there. So I just got the Berkey, and my intent is to share it with you guys soon. So maybe I'll do that. So check out all the links and the games as well. I've been playing Drug Wars on Steam, which is fun. And that's just a game. Don't expect to be earning playing games, although you can. Okay, although you can. And then you got the Magic Dice if you like to give it a whirl there with the dice. That's available too. I'm not too much using that, but I have in the past. So, go ahead and check out all of the links and let me know what's really booming out there. Thank you to a CryptoZilla, Rise of King Fresh main event, Rafterman, and the rest of the boomers out there. Everybody enjoy your day. Stay strong. Hit the gym. Go outside. Get some vitamin D. Let there be light. Let there be light. Go out there for at least an hour, guys. I don't need you guys looking like Vitalik staying behind this blue screen all day long. Okay, getting a hunchback or whatnot. I need you outside staying strong. And on that note, I'm out of here. It's the voice, the crypto commander in chief. Shout out to all my crypto capos. Stay booming out there. Where's my bomb? Thanks for tuning in, boomers.